Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to install video games. I'm gonna show you how to install games. There's different methods of installing video games, and I'm gonna show you all of them. Now, firstly, how you could install video games. You can install them through if you have a DVD drive player, or if you have a CD player, you can install it through there. If you find a disc copy of a game in like the garbage, or if you're a fancy pants, you could like buy it at Goodwill or a Walmart or wherever you buy your game stuff. Maybe I don't know. But I'm gonna show you how to install a video game for your DVD drive. I got Call of Duty 4 here with me. And it's a Game of the Year edition. I'm gonna put it in my computer. Here we go. I just put it in my computer. It should be appearing. It should be working. Fuck. Oh, there you go. There you go. See, it should, normally it should just, oh, there you go. I got Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare. Oh, that's a cool. What language is this? What the hell? What language is this? What? No, fuck. Well, I don't know what language this is. I guess Portuguese or something. I guess I'll click the first option. Looks like install. Oh, I was right. Damn it. What? It wants me to put in some numbers. Some games ask you to put some numbers in, but okay, so I actually found out that the code you had to input is on the back of the manual that comes with your game in the box. So I guess if you don't have the box, then I guess you can't play this game. But it's still in Portuguese. Punk bust. I know what that. What? Yes? Okay. Oh, see? Windows XP Vista, I can read that. And then I guess it's also on Windows 95, 98, and Me, and 2000. Leave a comment if you remember those. What the it's installing. Look at that. Polish? Is that the Portuguese language? Where is that? Where's Polish on the map? I guess I'll wait until it installs. I guess it's finished installing. Yes. No, I think I have DirectX, or maybe I'm gonna click yes. Okay. Is it gonna install DirectX? What's it? What's it doing? Oh. Oh, Call of Duty. No. Okay, how can I play the game? I think it's installed. Let's play the campaign. These intros. God damn it, why is it not in English? Okay. Oh. God damn it. Well, I know to fuck. That's how you install a game from disk, from a DVD. And now I'm gonna show you the other method that you can do. So there's this tool. It's called Virtual Clone Drive. It's it's a sheep tool. You have like a little sheep here, and it's you can basically use DVD files on it thanks to it. So I installed some DVD discs on my computer from the internet. I don't know what they're called, ISO files instead of like DVD or like CD, but whatever. So here we go. We have I'm gonna install Max Payne first. As you can tell here, I'm a huge fan of Max Payne. I think it's a pretty good game. So we can just click it thanks to the tool, and there you go. Now we can install Max Payne, because this is what you don't have enough system memory to run the game. What? I have a good computer. My computer is good. Why? Yes. You don't have enough system memory to run. What? Okay. I guess you have to have a very strong computer if you wanna play Max Payne. I didn't know that. Alright, next. Then we yes. None of this this is like none of this matters at all. I don't know. I don't know what it says, and I've never read it. We're gonna do a full installation because I have a good computer. Oh, now here's destination location. Now this is important. This is where your game is gonna be stored on your computer. So this is how you tell an amateur gamer from a professional gamer. The amateur gamers, they just install games. You just click next on the screen right here. But see, professional gamers like me, such as myself, we keep our games in our game folder. See? It's okay. Okay, and then fuck. And then we Max Payne. There you go. And then we create a new folder and we have it in games. And that's how a professional does it. If you're, if you're a professional gamer, leave 5 stars. So we spread the truth. Spread the truth. Only the truth. That's what we do here. Okay, so we create a desktop, and there you go. We have Max Payne installed. We can play it, and here we go. We can check our resolution. Yep, and we can high, because we're playing with like all this stuff to high. Yeah, 'cause we're playing in a beef computer. See? It's a pretty cool game. So you can... What? Why? Okay, I'm gonna show a different game that's gonna work. We're gonna install GTA 3. What? It's a video? Okay, so we're not gonna install GTA 3, so we're gonna install Call of Duty 1. It's another Call of Duty. I didn't expect that. But here we go. We click install. CD key, I downloaded this from the internet. Right? Shit. 111. This always works. I mean, this always works. So anyways, that's how you install games on your computer. If you like the video, give it 5 stars and add it to your favorites. And leave a comment. If you have any more questions, go ahead and ask them. And stay tuned for more tutorials.